Grass, dirt, maybe one lonely bush? Let's be real. Most backyards in Northern Virginia are uninspired. But what if yours could feed you, boost your curb appeal, and flex your sustainability creds all at the same time? Let's talk about why fruit trees might be the glow up your backyard's been waiting for. We get it. You've got a yard, but you're not sure what to do with it. At AV Architects and Builders, we design custom homes that live beautifully, inside and out. And one of the easiest, smartest, and most delicious ways to level up your outdoor space, planting fruit trees. Hi, I'm Sofia Alonso Wolf, and in this video, we're gonna show you how to turn your yard into a personal orchard and why it's one of the best moves you can make in Northern Virginia. Let's take a bite. Why fruit trees? 4 main benefits. Fruit trees do so much more than just look pretty. Number 1, curb appeal. They add charm, color, and structure. Plus, they can increase your home's value by up to 20%. Number 2, fresh food. Pick it, eat it, impress your friends. There's nothing like biting into fruit that you grew yourself. Number 3, pollinator friendly. Bees love fruit trees, and that's a win for your yard and the planet. And number 4, sustainable living. Less plastic, fewer grocery trips, and more control over what you eat. The 5 best fruit trees for Northern Virginia. Not every tree thrives here, but these do. Number 1, apples. Liberty and Enterprise are disease-resistant champs. Number 2, pears. Bartlett and Moonglow are juicy and reliable. Number 3, peaches. Red Haven and Contender bring the flavor without the drama. Number 4, plums. Methley and Stanley can handle Virginia's weather swings. Number 5, cherries. Go sour with Montmorency or sweet and self-pollinating with Stella. And pro tip, choose varieties suited for our climate to save time, money, and heartbreak. So tell me, which variety of these fruits is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. How to plant like a pro. Here's the 5-step game plan for fruit tree success in Northern Virginia. Number 1, pick the right spot. Full sun only. No shade, no soggy soil. Give each tree 10 to 20 feet to breathe. Number 2, prep your soil. pH should be between 6 and 7. Mix in compost and make it root friendly. And number 3, plant it right. Dig a hole twice as wide, but not deeper than the root ball. Keep the graft above ground and mulch smart, not too close to the trunk. Number 4, prune and protect. Winter is prune time. Spring is for feeding and pest defense. Organic sprays equal less stress. And number 5, be patient. Most trees need 2 to 5 years before a serious fruit shows up. It's a long game, but worth every bite. Buying or selling? Fruit trees add serious value. If you're buying a home, don't ignore the yard. Think, does it get enough sun? Is the soil healthy? Could this space become your edible escape already own? Plant a tree. It's one of the easiest upgrades you'll ever make. Selling your home? Highlight the fruit trees. Backyard orchard sounds a lot better than basic lawn. Let's face it, Northern Virginia is perfect for fruit trees. And whether you're after a peaceful garden moment, a tastier kitchen, or a greener lifestyle, your yard is waiting to step up. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe your home should work for you, and that includes the outdoors. From layout to landscaping, we're here to help you build a home that supports your lifestyle in every season. If you're ready to turn your backyard into a personal orchard, schedule a discovery call with us today. Let's design a home and a yard that supports your vision of living well. And if you want more ideas for outdoor living, wellness features, and design tips, head over to our Learning Center. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What fruit tree are you planting first? Thanks for watching, and happy growing!